What's up, fam? How's everybody feeling? Here with a quick push-up tutorial because as you know, the more we practice, the better we get. And I want to challenge you. I want to challenge you to every morning when you get up out of the bed, I want 3 sets of 10 push-ups. And right before you get back into bed later that night, I want you to do 3 more sets of 10 push-ups. But remember, it's not what we do, it's how we do it. And when you focus on how you do things, that's when you're going to see yourself get stronger and get better each and every day. So real quick, let's go through our push-up position. We're going to keep our arms under our chest and in line with our shoulders, right? You don't want your arms back here. You don't want your butt up there. You keep that back straight. And notice how my arms are about shoulder width apart. They're not too wide. They're not too close. They're comfortable for my body, right? And when I drop down to this push-up, I'm going to keep my elbows tight. I'm actually going to lay flat on the floor and release my hands just a little bit. From there, I'm going to push up, keeping my body flat like a board and keeping my core nice and tight because I want to stay strong the whole time. And notice how, again, my arms are nice and locked out at the top. Elbows stay tight, going down. Release the hands just for a second, keeping that body flat so that you're pushing all of your weight back up. And again, 3 sets of 10. Down, 1. Down, 2. Down, 3. And if in the beginning they're getting a little too hard for you, what I want you to do is just drop those knees down to the floor, cross those ankles, but notice how my torso is still long. I'm not boxed up like this, and then my elbows are flaring out. I'm still nice and long, putting all that stress on my arms and my chest, keeping my back straight. Chest still goes to the floor, the elbows go back, push, right? I challenge you guys because we're in this together. I challenge you. 3 sets of 10 push-ups. You know what? If that's getting a little too easy, ramp it up. 15, 20 push-ups. Because it's not about limiting your challenges. It's about challenging your limits. Have a great day. And remember, the more you practice, the better you get. See you next time.